Okay, so a few years ago, I made a video about the blind spots from inside a truck. And I only really expected my friends to see that. So the way that I spoke was a little bit silly, but it ended up getting shared over 1,800 times. So a lot of people asked me to make a little bit less silly one, and here it is. And you watch, no one's going to see it. But anyway, the point that I pretty much made was that the windows in a truck are there. I also have a mirror and a blind spot mirror. Another window there, a window there, mirror, blind spot mirror, and a little spyglass there. Now, it looks like, as you're looking around, like there's no window here, is part of the point that I made. There's no window there. Is there a car anywhere near you? Now, if you're like me and you're actually looking for one, you may have actually seen it. Where is it? Is it there? Is it here? Anywhere around here? No? Now, most of the time, like, you will see a car coming up behind you in these mirrors, or you might see a car you're passing here, so you'll know it's there. But if you're going through Aspley in Brisbane through peak hour, and you might be from Alice Springs, so you're not familiar with the area, probably stressed out over all the Brisbane traffic, you might miss the car that's right there. Do you see it? It's there. Can you see it? It's right there. So you might think, oh my goodness, I'm in the wrong lane. Oh, I'm so lost. I'm not used to this area. Change lanes and you take out the ute that's right there. Now that ute, how close is it? I mean, how far ahead? This bloke in the ute, he might think, I'm well and truly ahead of this truck. I should be fine. He should never be able to see me. There's his windscreen. Why can't he see me sitting here? It's because of how high up the cab is. You actually have the same blind spot in a car. You jump in the car. Can you see? Excuse, this is my work ute. Can you see what's next to the wheel there? No. So why do you think this bloke can see what's next to his wheel? Now, a lot of people ask, why don't trucks have cameras? Why don't trucks have sensors? Well, a lot of the ones being made today actually do. And I've heard from the blokes that have those, my truck doesn't have it, that they're kind of garbage. Have you got a blind spot sensor in your car? It's kind of the same thing. Sometimes it picks up stuff that isn't there. Sometimes it fails to pick up something that is. So really, and also it's not on all trucks. So until it is on all trucks, and until it is actually a reliable system, it's probably best that you're just aware of what I've shown you in this video and drive carefully. Keep safe, everyone.